Okay, good evening. Good evening, class. Welcome to today's session. We are dealing with maintenance tools and materials. Under maintenance tools and materials, we have the hand tools. Who can name one type of a hand tool? Pliers. Next, tape measures. Good Evans. Hammers. Hand tools we have like screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, and tape measures, and many more. And also maintenance of tools equipments, we have the power tools. Please name types of the power tools. Grinders. Yes, Divina. Next, Evans. Drills. Very good. Very good, very good. Wonderful, Evans. Let's move on. We have the cleaning supplies, also under the maintenance tools and equipment. Somebody to name the types of cleaning supplies. Jafet. Very good. What else? Samson? Yes. Thank you. Let's move on. We have the fasteners. As you are the electrical engineers, you know these fasteners. Some of these fasteners. Who have an idea? Rails. Yes. Uh-huh. We have the balls. Okay, we have seen the tools used in maintenance. We have seen the hand tools, power tools, cleaning supplies. We have seen fasteners. Let's now focus on the specifications of these tools, equipments, and materials. We have some of the specifications that the tools and equipments used in maintenance must meet. Specification number one is something like tools and equipment should meet specific size, capacity, and performance. Also, the materials used in the making the tools and equipments must adhere to standards regarding strength, durability, sustainability for the intended application. Also, these electrical tools and equipment should have the appropriate voltage, current ratings, and insulation materials. When working with these tools, you must ensure that the correct tool is used for the correct job or function to avoid the injuries. Also, we have the functionality of these tools and materials. Functionality number one, we have tools and equipment will perform their intended function effectively and reliably. Safety features such as emergency, shut-off mechanism, or protective guards must be in place and functional. Tools and equipment should have economic design consideration to reduce user fatigue and the risk of accidents. Okay, class, that marks the end of our today's session. I want to see if you have gotten something on this lesson or session. One of you can name what have we learned today. Anyone? Very good, Jafet. Somebody else apart from Jafet? Very good, Evans. Also, when working with these tools, ensure you visit the specification and functionality of these tools. I want to leave you with the assignment that we will that I will collect on the next class. Go and look the IE regulations governing the maintenance tools and equipments. Thank you.